gentlemen, today I'm going to make Karahi mint chicken on rice. My brother, or the untrained staff, had a similar dish when we went to the Borough Market in London. Smash it! And the ingredients we are using today are we need rice to serve, we need water, we need some salt, we need some olive oil, we need some lemon juice, we need some fresh mint, we need some fresh coriander, we need chicken breasts, we need some wine-ripe tomatoes, we need some crushed chilies, some fresh ginger, and some spring onions. Smashing! And now let's get started! Right, ladies and gentlemen, first thing to do is fill a large pot with water. Then place a lid on your pot and bring the water to the boil. Smashing! Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now grab yourself chopping board, some vinyl gloves, then grab your knife, your chicken. We need 275 grams of chicken breast, skinless, boneless, and these are already cut into strips. I slice them one more time. You want strips about this, and repeat with the remaining ones. Smash in, then set aside until needed. Smash in. Clean your knife. Right, ladies and gentlemen, on a second chopping board, grab yourself your spring onions. So I'm going with 6 spring onions. Remove the outer leaves, like so. And now cut off the roots, like so. Then cut off the dry tops, so. And then kind of roughly chop, like so. And cut the white parts a bit finer. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now grab your fresh root ginger. We need about a teaspoon worth of root ginger, peel it, right, ladies and gentlemen, and now grab yourself a micro grater and finally grate about, as I said, a teaspoon worth of the ginger. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now we need about 1 tablespoon worth of fresh coriander. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and when your water is boiling, season with some salt. And then add your rice. Then lid back on and boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. Smashing! Right, ladies and gentlemen, back to the coriander. Just roll it up a little bit and kind of roughly chop it like so. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now we need some fresh mint. Also again about a tablespoon worth of mint. Again, roll your mint leaves up, kind of like a cigar, and roughly chop them as well. And now grab your tomatoes. Depending on the size, you need 3 to 4. Then grab your tomato, peel off the stem, and now roughly chop your tomatoes. Right, ladies and gentlemen, after 10 minutes of boiling your rice, drain your rice, put the lid back on, get it off the heat and let it steam for about 15 minutes. Smashing. And after that much chopping, that much rice cooking, it's time for a recipe. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now grab a second pot, add your water, 300 milliliters of water, and your chicken, add the chicken as well. So bring this up to the boil, smash it. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and while you're waiting for your chicken and water is coming up to the boil, time for recipe. Right, ladies and gentlemen, when your water is boiling, get it down to a medium heat. It might be possible that you need to skim off some of the foam. And simmer your chicken until the water has evaporated. And the chicken has been cooked completely. Smashing. And while you're waiting for your chicken gets cooked, time for recipe. Right, ladies and gentlemen, when your chicken has been cooked through and you still have a bit water in your pot, drain the chicken, put it on a plate and set aside until needed. Smash it. Give your pot a quick wash. Right, ladies and gentlemen, now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pot. And while your oil is coming up to the heat, time for recipe. Right, ladies and gentlemen, when your oil is hot, add your spring onions. And stir fry for about 3 minutes until soft but not browned. So after about 3 minutes, add your cooked chicken and fry for another 3 minutes. Stir constantly. Right, ladies and gentlemen, now add your grated ginger. Then give this a stir. Now add 1 teaspoon of crushed chilies. Then give this a good stir. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give it a quick stir. And then add your tomatoes. And again, give it a quick stir. And now season with salt to your taste. Should be about a teaspoon roughly. So give this a stir. And allow to cook this for about 10 minutes or so on a medium heat until everything comes together and the tomatoes have been kind of transformed into tomato sauce. Of course, you want to keep some little chunky bits. And while you're waiting for your Karahi mint chicken is going to cook, time for recipe.
As you know right here, shut the fuck up.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, after about 10 minutes the tomatoes should have broken down. You should still have some chunky bits. Add your mint and coriander. Then give it a final stir and take it off the heat. Smash it. Right, ladies and gentlemen, and now it's time to plate up. Right, ladies and gentlemen, first thing to do, fluff up your rice and get the rice on your plate. Then get your Karahi mint chicken, give it a final stir to combine everything and place place it on top of your rice. Then garnish with a little sprig of fresh coriander. And here we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Karahi mint chicken on rice. Anyway, as always, at this time, at this place, at this very moment, it's time for a tea. Bye bye and see you next time.